I can email this to you after. So what I want to do first, Nikki, I want to see what you have been doing, if you don't mind, with your ads. And of course, I'll give you some printers and how I would personally go about them. And maybe I can add some value to you.
Okay.
There is a share button. You'll see it next to invite, manage participants, chat. You'll be able to share your screen with me.
Okay.
Good job.
I launched it. It's loading.
Yeah, I can see it right now.
Okay.
Yeah, go on your ad account. Yep. Okay. Do you have ads? How many? So you have this. This is inactive. When did you launch these?
So these have been circulating for some for about 2 years, some 1 year. I just reactivated them today.
Yeah,
remember
that they haven't spent any money.
Right, there was a bill that was pending that I needed to take care of, so I did that.
Do you mind if I take over your ad account? Do you mind?
Not at all. Go ahead. You need the login, right? Or
No.
I can just add you?
No, I can just send you a request right now. I just send you a request. You just have to accept it.
All right.
Good. All right. I like the old version better, so I'm gonna go back to the old version, if you don't mind. You can go back, switch to the new one, it's not a problem, but I just like this old version better. Okay.
Oh, I learned on the old version too. I've been trying to learn this.
Yeah, I mean, I use it, but whenever I'm with a client, I try my best to just, okay. So, all right, dry hair, 200, 119 purchases, 200 and let me see your breakdown. So you spend 26K on ads.
Congratulations on your book.
Thank you.
Right?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, so you watch some of the stuff I do? I didn't know.
No, it actually came across an ad on one of the Haitian blogs, I believe.
Oh,
so
yeah.
It's working.
Yeah, I'm doing some influencer now, and then we're gonna start pushing the ads to it. Let me make sure I took out so video watching. So So you're running only those first two campaigns you're running right now. So the first two campaigns you're running, you're not losing money on them. So
Dry hair and popping twist out.
So you're looking at dry air, right? So if you look at dry air, the first thing you want to look at when you look at the way your campaign is doing. So all the decision that you have to make it based on the purchase return on ad spend. Meaning, if you look at it, for every dollar that you put in, you make at least $2 back, which is not bad. Obviously, everything else here is trash. So every time you're doing ads, Nikki, even if it's making you sell, if it's under 2, if it's 195, okay, you can keep it. But if it's like 180, you gotta kill it, right? Mm-hmm. So the first thing you want to do, you want to look at the campaign. So overall, the campaign is not bad. Now I'm going to look at it based. So I just look at this based on the campaign level. I have to make sure I look at it now based on the ad set level, right? So I'm going to go on the ad set. So, right. So let me see the ad set. Let me look at it. Okay. Right. So here's the problem, right? Remember I said that to you last time. And then this you never cross. You always get rid of that. So here's the problem, Nikki. Now you're making sales, that's fine, right? Mm-hmm. But the problem is you don't know from which audiences the sales are coming.
Right.
Right? Because you kind of have everything all together. Right? So what you should have been doing is look at, right? So right here, you have, let me see how many interests you have in there. So what you should have been doing is, so you have, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So whatever the amount you have in there, right? Mm-hmm. You should have duplicated, let's say you had 9 interests, you should have duplicated this into 9 ad set and then leave with, and then have a single interest in that ad set. Okay. You get it?
Yeah.
So that way, if a sale is coming from naturallycurly.com, you would know that interest is working for me. I'm in the meeting, I'll call you. I'm in the meeting, I'll call you over. Yeah. So you get what I'm saying, Nikki? So you don't want to leave everything all together because there's no way you can track to know whether the sales is coming from natural hair rolls, whether they're coming from natural 85, you won't know. Okay. Because you kind of put all the audiences together. So, and then you've been wanting this for a while. I don't see no breakdown. You still leave them at automatic placement. So we want to also check to see where the sales are coming. So you can go on custom, breakdown, and you can kind of do it. So we can look at, right, age and gender. The first thing we got to do, let's look at country. Let's see which country are making new sales. Mm-hmm. Right? So if we look at this, right, if we're going to break it down into country, that was your purchases. Get the hell out of this. Right? So if you look at the country that's making you money, so United Kingdom only made you 4 purchases. Mm-hmm. Look at this. It's 1.3, 30. So you're wasting money trying to advertise to people in United Kingdom.
Correct.
You see that?
Yeah.
So the US, this is where you make most of your sales. Mm-hmm. You make 115 sales there, and then look at the profit. Every dollar you put in, you get $2 back.
Nice.
So it makes no sense for you to keep showing your ad to people who lives in the United Kingdom.
Makes sense.
right? So unless you want to try different audience, of course, and see if they will convert with them. But for now, it makes no sense. As you can see, for every dollar, you kind of make like $1 into it. It's not worth it. It's 30 cents.
Right. 30 cents on the dollar that I spend.
Yeah. So you kind of like have to read the data. It's all about reading the data. So we already know in the country, right? You're targeting, like we making sales. The US is kind of our sweet spot. We're making money here. And you have a lot of data to kill this. Look at your checkout initiative. Look at your add to cart. These are people who started, right? These are people who started putting their card information in and never finished.
Right.
These people, there is some ads called retargeting ads, which I will create for you in a second, which you'll be able to retarget them. But these are people that you can re-advertise to and have them come back to the website and sell them.
Okay.
Right? Look at how many add to cart. People who added the product to their cart and never finished paying for it.
Wait.
It's crazy.
Right. So you're saying besides just relying on my email flows from Klaviyo to retarget those people by saying, hey, come back and finish your purchase, we can actually set up
do that on Facebook.
Specific people.
Yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to teach you how to do it in a second.
Okay, great.
So, but obviously you can see we don't need to make no money. We don't need to advertise to the United Kingdom at this point, right?
You can go.
Right. So that's the first thing we did. We look at the country. Now we have to look at age and gender. I'm going to remove this first one. I'm going to go back. Right. So I'm going to go and look at age and gender. Mm-hmm. Obviously, you're targeting mostly women, right? Of course. I mean, it kind of makes sense. Let's look at it. 18 and 24. Good. 2.01. Perfect. Love it. Right? Mm-hmm. So you kind of like your sweet spot is 18 to 54. You see that?
Yeah.
Because again, you killed something. If it's making you 2.22 plus, you keep it. So everything else is cut. But you can see too, you can also do an ad by itself and spend more money
on 25 to
34.
Nice.
You see that? Now we check that. Now let's go back. Let's remove this. We kind of see this. Let's look at the device, the placement in device.
Okay.
Okay, good. So cool. All right. So we have Facebook stories. All right. Let me make sure we are on purchase. Give me 1 second so we can see. Okay, so
results, purchases.
Yep, purchases, right? So right now we're looking at mobile, 2 sales, mobile, 5 sales, right? Mobile, 24 sales, mobile, 13 sales. More Instagram, 2 sales, mobile again, Instagram, 16 sales. Let's also 21 was 34 sales. Mobile.
21, 34.
You haven't made a single sale in text.
Yes.
So you see where we're wasting money for no reason?
Don't be putting placement on desktops. Nobody cares.
Yeah, it's the data say no. So no. Right? And then look at something else again. You're targeting all placement. So stories, let me see. What the hell is purchase again? What is your computer? Okay. Purchases. I just saw purchases just now. Jesus Christ, where are you going? You're going to, okay, good. So let's look at the placement now. Stories, 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 stories. I haven't give us anything. Stories, stories. Nothing, nothing. Am I missing something? No, I'm missing something. Hold on. I'm not seeing what I'm supposed to be seeing. Too good. Where are your purchases? Where are you, mama? Purchase. Website purchase. Good. So if you look at, you're gonna see Facebook news feed, right? Facebook news feed, right? This is coming from Facebook news feed. Facebook news feed. Feed, feed, feed. I don't need to even go there further with you. We made one selling stories. Maybe you're not doing the story ad properly, right? But if you look at it, you are targeting automatic placement, meaning you are spending money on a bunch of placement that you don't need to be spending money on.
Right.
So imagine now that money was going to the correct place.
Focusing our energy where we know our people are shopping.
Yes. So imagine that money was going to the correct placement, right? And that money was going to the correct, it was not going to desktop, it was going to mobile. So that 2.29 average you have, you'll make more money and you'll have more money to spend back on advertising.
Right, maximize my revenue from that one, from the audience that works.
Mm-hmm. So that's the way you're pretty much looking at your data. And you make that decision based only on data, not based on emotions. And you have a lot of data here to just make a killing.
Yeah.
Right. So what you're gonna need to do, Nikki, when you're ready to study over, you're gonna have to all this. This is great. The only thing you're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to create a new campaign and test all those that you have together on the ad set. Test them separately and one single ad set, one single interest. I mean.
Okay, so basically, I would take the same video, create a new ad set with it, putting one interest at a time.
Mm-hmm. So what you will do, you see the way you have it right now?
Mm-hmm.
Let's say I wanted to create it. Let me kind of like not break it. So there's a lot of things you can look. Placement, I already kind of did it for you. Agent, gender, business location. Yeah, you kind of have them, right? So if I was going to create this, what I would do, I would click on edit.
Mm-hmm.
I will look at the amount of, interest that I have altogether.
We might do it to the United Kingdom now, eh? And France, just leave United States.
Yeah. Thank you, Papa. So, no, this guy dropping something at the office, right? So, I would see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So people look like you have 9 or 9 or 10. Anyway.
No breakdown on so gari latale. But we could montre any data for the interest. Is that because I have multiple?
You won't be able to see that.
Okay, got it.
And that's the problem. Now you don't know what to scale because you don't know which one is making you money. You don't know which one is not making you money. Right. You get it? So the first thing you're gonna do, Nikki, so you will now do this on a new campaign. You will, if I was gonna do this, I was gonna duplicate this. If I have, let me publish this. So clone the. Yeah, I will duplicate this into, see if I have 10, I will duplicate this into 9. So 9 plus 1 give you 10. So I'll duplicate this into 10 and I will single them out.
Can I see how that's done, please, so I can do it for the other one?
I know you were going to ask me this.
Is that above what you are willing to do?
No,
Just
that's
let
okay.
me know in a range.
So you see, I put 9. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
So I
Okay.
duplicate them, right? I'm gonna do it. So you asked me to. So now, okay, cool. So I have them now. I'm not gonna publish them. I'm gonna make sure I work on them first. So I have now 10 ad set, right? So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go on the first one, Nikki. I'm gonna edit. Okay. So I'm going to, what the hell? You even had lookalike together too?
Looks like I did.
I don't think, let me see.
Congratulations on your sale.
How do you know?
Shopify does the same thing.
I know, yeah. Thanks. So no, Nikki, you gotta do lookalike by itself. You gotta do lookalike by itself. You gotta do a single interest by itself. So
Okay. In your experience, which one works better, or does it matter?
You gotta do different campaign by itself.
Okay.
So if I'm gonna scale with lookalike, I'm gonna have a campaign with lookalike by itself. I'm not gonna have single interest, cold audience, because lookalike, I may explain, lookalike is not a cold audience, it's a warm audience. So you can't put it together with a cold audience. So what I would do, okay, I will get rid of this, okay? I would first take that single interest by itself, right? I will name them so I know where the sales are coming from. So dry hair, curly hair. So if somebody purchased or you don't have you most likely have a Windows computer. What I see. Okay, so I would copy this, Nikki.
Curly hair.
Come on, curly hair. Be nice to me. Right? So copy. So I will name it.
Curly hair.
Right? And then I will come here, Nikki. Come on, computer, be faster than me, please. I will get rid of these.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then I will come here on the edit placement.
We want mobile.
I want mobile. I will get rid of Messenger and Audience Network because they don't make me no goddamn freaking money. I will get rid of Facebook video feed and Facebook Marketplace because they don't make us no money. I will get rid of all this bad boy here too. They make me $0. Goodbye. And goodbye. Right?
Yeah.
And then, see, now we have a bigger audience.
I like it.
Now, you might say it's a lot of people. Yes, it's a lot of people, but you need to understand this is how you're going to be able to scale the ads because you're going to have a lot of people to go through if that audience works for you. Right? So let me look at the ad copy. I forgot to do that. Right? So I want to see this. Bugging the F out. Okay, let me see your copy. What did you write for the ad? Let's be bold. The tequila on the texture components and a lot of desire calls and design. Want machine hands on. Let me see.
That's the funnel page I had created.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Imagine nou ni ki wap fe sell kon sa. You kind of send them to a blog, right?
Well, I was told to send them to a squeeze page funnel situation.
I know.
Different teachers.
You can definitely do that, but what I would personally do myself, I would send them to a single product. Like that bundle product, I will send them to that.
Directly on the website, not through the squeeze page.
Yep, directly on that one specific product.
Okay, so since you have control, do I have control?
Yeah, I have control, but obviously
right here, this is it. This is the link.
Right, so the link kind of look ugly now, right? So what you would do, you would go here to open a new tab. You will go to bit.ly. Okay. And you go back to, where's your store? So go back to it again for me. You take that link right here. Go back to bit.ly. And then you'll paste it right here. And we'll shorten that link. And then now you see she's pretty like me right now.
It's very sexy.
Right. So, and then you go back, and then on your ad, then obviously you're gonna have to change the copy. It's not the same thing. You're gonna have to say something, I don't know, 50% of today. You know how to write your ad copy. I will sit down and write my ad copy. Keep it super simple. Hey, if you buy today, whatever, sense of urgency, we'll give you 50% or plus free shipping, whatever the case is.
Okay.
Right? So, but you will write the benefits of the bundle, why they should get it, right? And then obviously put what we call the call to action. Get it today, and we'll give 50% off plus free shipping. Go here, put the link.
Right into the ad copy on the Facebook ad back there where we were before.
You go back. I'll show you. Was it here? I don't remember. Yeah. So right here, that bit.ly link, you will put it right here. And then want master right here, install that pop. Maybe I'll tell you to use that headline. That's fine. But the ad copy goes here. And then please make this sound sexier. Use some emoji. Like make it sound good. It's you selling it.
Yeah.
So, but because remember, your ad is somebody's newsfeed.
Right.
Make it, because somebody's scrolling down on Facebook. They're scrolling to maybe see their friends' messages or whatever. They're not scrolling to see your ad. Now, you got to be able to make them stop. So you need to have an attention grabber, something that's that's different for them to stop. So, you want to use space in your ads for sure. You want to do that. You want to use some emojis in there, right? You want to try your best to keep it super simple, like give them the benefits of using it, right? And then obviously give them a reason to make a decision right now. So let's say you want to say, hey, you want master as hair install that pop. Give them the reason why this is good. Right? Then I see curly hair this, and they do this for you. So what's the problem it is solving for the client?
Right.
And then obviously call to action. Hey, listen, you know what? If you get this bundle today, what we'll do for you, we'll give you free shipping plus 50% off. Oh. And then go here, put the link, and then of course have your link on your description as well.
Okay.
But again, what you're doing right now also, you are still making 2.0. I never said that. Don't kill it, right? You can always scale that what you're doing right now, because you're obviously still making new sales. You don't want to kill something that's already making you sales. But you also want to have, if you want to make a lot of money with this business, you want to have ads going, like a lot of ads. And the good news is you already have the data.
Yeah. So you don't feel like having these different ads with different targeting interests will make them compete with each other?
No, they're not going to compete with each other. But the thing is, remember, when you have 10 ad sets, right? You're gonna let this one for 4 days. And in 4 days, you will come back and see which interest is working for you. The one that's not working, you kill them.
Yeah. Okay.
And the one that's working, at this point, if you were spending $10 a day on them, you can put it, if they're giving you let's say for every dollar I put in, they get $3 back. And now I can put $20 in. You get it?
Yeah.
So the one that's working, when you come back, Nikki, now you're gonna have to duplicate them so you can put more money in them. Because you already know those interests work. You already know they're making you money. You already know for every dollar you put in, you get $3 back. So there is no losing. You just invest in money.
Right.
It's an expense.
So would you recommend I come back in 4 days the way you just said, or 7 days?
4 days.
4. Okay.
After you separate them, right? Single interest, you want to come back in 4 days and see which one works for you.
Okay.
All right?
Oui.
So I'm not going to publish this, of course not. It's still a lot of...
Draft your lamb up to Nepita, set up a time for me to ladder yun pa yun.
Yeah, you're not, but you got to create. You never got that fair to Nikki. If you look at your ad, you only have one. You only testing one creatives. You got to test multiple. So the way I do my campaign, I'll tell you, I always have one campaign, one ad set, and then 3 ads. So I will test 2 ads, which is 2 versions of a picture, a different picture, and then 1 video.
Wait, so...
All right, I'm going to explain to you again, kind of confused. You see how you have a campaign?
Okay, campaign, yeah.
Right, so that's the campaign, which is the main thing, right? And then you have the ad set, this is where you put your interest, this is where you put your money, your budget.
Correct.
And then you have the ads. It's exactly where you put your copy, what the people will be seeing. So...
And right now I just have this video.
Right now you only have this video.
Okay.
And then one thing you're also doing that you shouldn't be doing, right? If you want better result, what you want to do, Nikki, that's your page, Facebook page. Oh, I don't know if that's your Facebook page. So
no, this is my website.
Okay, so go on your Facebook page.
Okay, where were you?
Nice. You're just advertising the hell out of you too, girl. That's good. That's good. I love it. So when you're doing the ad, you kind of like doing dark posts. You do not want to do dark posts. You see how you have this post here? So when you're starting your ad, you see how I told you to do the copy?
Oui.
You can do the copy in the main page, in this page.
Okay.
The reason why, so if somebody is going to Amazon to try to buy a product, they're going to make that decision based on the reviews, which we do all the time. If somebody is coming to buy your product and they come to your page, they're going to make that decision based on the comments, what we call the social proof. If they see people saying, hey, listen, oh, I want this, they're tagging their girls, they're tagging their friends, then this creates social proof for them, monkey see, monkey do. So nobody want to feel like the first person that do anything.
Right.
So that's the reason why you want to make sure that you're doing your ad copy here. And then once you go back to your ad, right, hold on. Once you go back, right, to do your ads, instead of creating a new post, you can kind of do that instead. Use existing posts, and then you just go on the page and select the post.
Select the post. I see what you mean. So there's already a conversation ongoing under that post.
Yes, and then all the comments, everything else will be showing in that ad. Obviously, the more comments an ad shows, the better it is for you, and the more people Facebook will show it to.
Oui.
Imagine you got an ad that's like I want this. They're tagging the girls, like everybody's seeing that. Everybody's, oh, I love the product. Yes. It's just so easy to sell your people. But once you put it there, you kind of like hide the post. This is what we call dark posts.
Okay.
So you want to always do your post first. So you want to do 3 ad version. So you want to go here. You want to do 3 posts. Same copy, right? Or 1 picture. Same copy, a different picture. Same copy, video. So when you're doing your ad, now if you want to have 3 ads, right? What you will do, Nikki, is duplicate this into 2. So we'll do this into 2, right? 2.
Okay.
Right, so that will make it 3. You get it?
Got it.
And then after you do this, I'm gonna do it. I'm sorry. So I duplicated into 1 time. I should have duplicated twice, but you get the drift. So I did it once. So what I will do, Nikki, is come back here, right? Do this, and then
who's in a connection? Mine?
It's yours, not mine.
Oh, mes amis, pourquoi tu dis ça?
Parce que je connais Florida pas bon internet, that's why I've been in Florida multiple times.
Yes, yeah.
So use existing posts. You see that? You select the post, and then we'll just do this. You see that?
Oui.
And then that post no. Boom, shakalaka.
Bravo. Bon bagay.
You know that just publié. And then see post là pas un call to action. Well, God, you see this one don't have a call to action. You will have to add it.
Oui, oui.
Add. And then you can shop now, you can learn more. I love learn more myself.
Oui.
We'll take the bit.ly link of that specific product and add it here, and then we update it.
Gotcha.
Got it? So moving forward, you want to do 3 posts all the time. Why? Because you might be testing this picture. You might think, oh, this is making my 2.1. It's good. And then you go test a video, and it's making you 5.
Oui.
So you always want to keep testing. Not only you want to keep testing multiple audiences, but you also want to keep testing multiple creatives.
Okay.
Okay, so very good. You think you're learning something so far?
I am learning a ton.
Okay, good. I think I know I'm not wasting your time then. Good. So, j'aime dire, même bagarre arrivé là, en vont faire toute l'autre Niki, what I would do, I would make sure I create the 3 ads first. So when I duplicate them, so it automatically take because whatever you take on everything you do on the ad set will take also the thing you do on the ads. So before I go and duplicate the ad set, I will create my 3 ads first. I will duplicate them into 3. And then after, I will come back to the ad set and duplicate them.
Okay.
Do you get what I'm saying?
Oui. So add the 3 different posts like pictures, and then I can come back and modify
and duplicate the ad set.
Okay.
Because you want to have 10 ad set, you want to have 30 ads.
Gotcha.
Got it? Oui. And remember something also. If you're spending $10 on each ad set, it's already $100 per day.
Yeah, it's something about Mado. Is it possible to start a little lower, maybe 5 or 7?
Of course, yes, you can.
Okay.
You don't have to duplicate it there. Just make sure you have single interest.
Oui. Okay.
Okay, so good. So, même bagay mwen moutou pou pop in twist out là. Même bagay lan pou al fè. Right?
Okay, on a fait qu'on y a là parce que comme on mettait de l'autre ça en bas, traffic low and gap and traffic cross dynasty home, ma prend comme ça m'a l'appliquer dans ça me connaît qu'a fait comme yo. Yeah,
so but you never got pour faire tout for make sure I'll break down pop out twist out là pour que you just cap travail pour même something moutou là.
Right, before I can go ahead and modify it and break it down.
Yep. Yeah. So right now, let me go ahead and build you some audiences. So let's go on audiences.
Ou so je t'ai dit comment m'étais capable créer lookalike audience from my video.
That's what I'm doing right now for you.
Oh, okay. Exciting.
So we're gonna create audience, right? The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go on custom audience. Okay, we're gonna do it. The first thing we're gonna go on Instagram business profile. Okay, this is your Instagram page, right?
Oui, oui.
So we're gonna create an audience for everyone who would engage with your business to 365 days.
Wait, I'm sorry. Please back it up. I think I missed a step. I don't know how you got to this screen.
Got it. Okay. So we're gonna go create audience.
Okay.
So let's go back. So we go on the ad platform, we check audiences. We go here, we go and create audience, custom audience, right?
Oui.
Instagram business profile.
Okay.
Okay. And then we're gonna create an audience for everyone who would engage with your business, which is that page. I have only one. Good. How long your Instagram page been working? I don't know.
3 years.
3 years. So we're gonna create an audience for 365 days. So we're gonna name this people engage with IG girls than nasty. So 365 days. Right? We're gonna create audience.
Oh.
So everyone who did anything on your Instagram page the past 365 days, if you do an ad using that audience, oh, you're gonna be in their face.
Nice.
Now, good news is, now look at this. Find new people similar to your existing users.
Wow.
So we're gonna tell this bad boy to do this for us.
Okay.
So that's fine. We do this. We're gonna go here. We're gonna create the lookalike. And then we can choose to tell Facebook, hey, go look for people, okay, in the United States who has the same behavior as the people that I have on my Facebook, Instagram page. We can do up to 6% to up to 10%. So look at the lookalike. So they're gonna go and find us over 2 million people with the same behavior. Then we're gonna create. So we did the first. We did the 1 to 6%. So we wanna go back and create the rest. So create lookalike. Okay, we already did the United States. We already did the right. So we did the 6 to whatever percent. So we're gonna do the rest now. We're gonna have this at 4 because we did 1 to 6. So we have 4 left. And then we're gonna go all the way here. We're gonna go all the way here. We're gonna go all the way here. Then we're gonna go all the way here. Come on, lady. To be able to. No, why are you doing this? I want you to be here. Come on.
Yeah, I am. No.
Do you want them?
Go neighbor woman.
You see, I met.
At the time computer.
Oh, excusez-moi, mais je suis dans un meeting now.
It's okay. Son artiste, oui. Moi-même qui gagne la cinéma artiste.
On connaît. Il y a mon qui est artiste, mais même pas un artiste maintenant.
Okay, good. We're good now.
Okay.
Okay, and then nous créons reçu encore.
2 millions.
So, kounya la sou pral créer un campaign, ou après les campaigns ça, Curl Dynasty LLA, lookalike. So, on va créer 10 à 17, et puis, on va mettre 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%, 6%, jusqu'à 10%. And then, on met $10 per ad set, and then, on teste au même genre encore. And then, the one after 4 days, you go back and say, hey, the one that's making you sell, you keep. The one that's not making you sell, you kill.
Got it.
Okay, so I just create one. So there's more to create. Custom audience. We only create the one that's engaged with the IG page. We can do other things too.
Oui.
Right? So we can go back in here again. We can do for people who engage with any post or ad, people who send a message to your business profile.
People who saved any post or ad. Wow. That's vraiment intuitive.
It's right here. So then you know what to do at this point now, you know.
Oui, funny.
So, and then the same way you see how, même ça me toujours fait, Niki, someone qui teste tout bagay. So I don't make, so where j'aime créer un audience for 365 days too, where j'aime ça me do, I will create an audience for 180 days. I will create an audience for 90 days. I will create an audience for parce que tout le monde qui n'a 365 days, you probably pas songer. Vous avez dit
Yeah.
I will create an audience for 7 days. And I will test everything. I will put money in all of them. And trust me, you will be shocked that the 7 days is making more money than the 180 days or whatever it is. But I know I tested it and I know I have enough data because you already have enough data. You don't even need to go after single interest because your ad account been working for so long, you have enough data to just kill this. So same way, I will just create an engagement for this. You'll create a bunch of an audience. And then you create a same thing for all of these. Well, I'm telling you, you have to name them. You have to name them properly.
Yeah.
You see the way I name them, so I know.
Oui.
So, m'gata mouto pour Instagram, ça veut dire, sous besoin, we target, et ça soit tout le monde relève pour gongon. Depuis you monte sur Instagram, moi, une fois, that's it. You're gonna keep seeing my ads.
And people think they're seeing my ads now. They're about to find out just how bad it can be.
Exactly. So, no finance ça. No bako fin toujours. And I'll create audience. Remember the people that added our product to their cart.
Website traffic?
Yeah, website traffic. Good news, you have your pixel on. We can go here. We can do all website visitors, right? We can do people who visited specific web page. We can do people who added to cart the last 30 days, or we can do the last 365 days.
Heck yeah. Come back.
Yeah, people. Come on, I can spell people, Jesus.
Ah, going to.
Who added to cart, right? Right? 365 days. Right? Boom. Kunya la ba konen encore, it gets sweeter. Right? We can go and do the same thing. Nous dit Facebook, al chercher même moun qui reme ajouter produit ça dans panier yo pour nous. Come on, Facebook. Nice to me, Papa.
Facebook, Papa.
Yeah, that's my girlfriend. Facebook is my girlfriend, okay? That's my sweetheart right there.
Il a l'argent sorti.
Oh, you see, you. So we're gonna create the lookalike again for this one.
Okay.
On va dire ton Facebook pour aller chercher pour nous, moun qui pral prendre même bagage ça ou mettre ou dans panier yo. Boom. Right? Nous pral faire même valeur moun yo. Nous te ka fait pour United Kingdom tout parce que quand pile moun dans United Kingdom qui te ajouté produit dans carte yo.
Yeah.
So, nous créer des audience là. Ou ka fait 6 ou 10% pour contour. Ou fait même bagage là Niki, ou fait custom audience encore. Okay.
Website traffic.
Website traffic. You got all of this, all website visitors, you can create them. You have you. People who visit a specific website. People visited by time spent. Ou ka comme tu dis quoi, si moun nan te fait 30 minutes dans page ou il target you. Il dit hey boss, m'te wote entrer sur website là, mon pas buy vague, ça passe là, retourner à l'acheter produit ça pour me mettre 10% off.
On est d'accord.
Vous comprenez?
Oui, oui.
Ou ka fait add to cart, ou ka fait initiate checkout, you want to do purchase. Why? Because si map target add to cart moun yo, but m'oblige exclu moun qui te acheté yo.
Yeah.
So I want to have to create an audience also for people who purchase. But you definitely want to create somebody an audience for purchase. So I'll do it for you right now. Why? Because Facebook also gonna look people for you who will purchase the product.
Oui.
So people who purchase.
Comment c'est pas dire oui là?
I know. What game déjà non équipe ça pas là. On va faire des autres.
Même pas fait les autres.
180 days. You get it?
Oui.
And then you create it. And then you just do this. And then you just do the same thing. You create the lookalike. And then Facebook ou di a chercher même moun sa ou qui a at least acheté produit pour moi. Ça seulement sous bien fait Niki a fait you should be able to do at least 40, 50 grand. I mean depending on how much you're spending a month easy like boom.
Problem nan sa brother. Gan pil moun ki gen ko pou mette nan ad yo, moi sam gen metel, but I know I need to do more so.
No, but again, the thing is, even if you were spending $10, if you make $100 back, you don't spend that money, Nikki. You take the money and put it back in the business.
Of course, reinvest it in.
So many. So I create from 5 to from 6 to 10% dans mon taux. Ça veut dire qu'on type audience qu'on a créé toujours. Your email list, okay? Yeah. You can take your email list. You go right here, Nikki, on custom list. And then use that file on customer, include the customer lifetime value.
Let's do that. Yeah.
You have the email list?
Oui, oui.
Where do you have it?
Clavio. So I guess I have to log in and export it.
Export it and then just come here, name it people who purchase email list, and then upload that file, and then boom, you match it with whatever it is you have, and then you upload it, and then create a lookalike audience for that.
This one looks fun.
It's good. This is the beauty of ads once you understand it. Videos, that's another one. All right, we're gonna do people who watch 50% of your videos but didn't purchase. We're gonna create an audience for them. You wanna create an audience for all of them. So I'm gonna start at 25%, matter of fact. So we're gonna call it, we're gonna go find a video. So look at this video. It has 164,000 views. So we're gonna take this bad boy. Matter of fact, we can even take all those videos and create 25% of people who watch them. Then all these people, we show them an ad, trust me, that bad boy gonna be in their face.
Isn't there a way to just select them all?
What?
Isn't there a way to just select them all?
Not this one. Don't do the guy. Hold on, go back. Not this dude right here.
Oh, you don't like him?
Well, it wasn't exactly an ad for my
Got it.
right. Not this guy either.
Okay, but regardless, you get it, right? This video don't have a lot of views anyway, too. The big one I already took.
Okay.
So yeah, this yeah.
The video anyen la biti.
Yeah, you have it. So, ooh, that's a big one. That's a big one.
Yeah, the video with me in it did good too. Oh, yay!
Yeah, shut up.
Good. I don't like being in front of the camera so much.
Oh, look at this.
Yes, these little girls, people love them.
Oh my God, Nikki, you wanna sell me your company?
Bon mais m'offrir nous pour nous entrer avec moi, nous pas offrir. Nous pas bien. Nous connaissons mon bagage sérieux là, I'm just besoin d'aide so. Vous connaissez.
Oh man.
Ou dis pas la boss ou c'est pas la boss là.
Boss guy, yes.
I mean, you gotta put in a good word because remember he's going by the numbers only, but you see what goes on.
I listen. The numbers has to make sense for me, Nikki.
Right, no, I'm saying like you see what goes on the back end as far as the potential. Also,
yeah, I know I'm gonna have to do a lot of coaching with your ass too, Nikki.
That's okay. I'm very teachable.
Yeah, right.
No, I sat down with one person in one day in August 2018, and they taught me how to put an ad on. Like I don't know all the details of what you're showing me, but what you see I've done so far.
Yeah, no, that's good. That's great. I mean, the guy who taught you was a newbie, though. I can tell you.
Yeah, that came from one session in one day. So I can see that there's a lot more I needed to learn, and I'm,
Damn. Well, you have a lot of data, Mama. Oh Lord.
We out here.
Yeah, you've been putting some work. So, so it's okay.
Well.
So, good. We're gonna play the video, Nikki, for that selection tout pour vérité, but I'm just gonna build this one. I'm not gonna.
Pas de problème. On fait ça capable.
But you see it, right? Tout les cartoons vient pour toute vidéo créé pour 50%. So obviously we'll call this people who watch.
Very sexy, yeah.
25% of all videos. Just ça pour le cartoon nous mettre l'autre vidéo. Ça belle là encore même gens ouais nous ca créer un lookalike audience pour même bagay là.
On lookalike pour tout bagay oui là.
So avec du cartoon back encore pour vidéo créé pour 50%, créé pour 75%, créé pour 95%, créé pour 100%. And then
it's a little bit time consuming, I can see.
It does, but once you do that, if you have enough money to put on ads, that's how you make $20,000 a day. That's why people think it's magic, or I'm bragging when I tell them, hey, I have store making 20, but I have a bunch of ads rolling, but I already test them. I have the data. I can just put money in. I'm not losing any money.
Bon, est-ce qu'on va aller là, artiste, nous allons faire ad?
I already told you what to do. I'm going to give you an hour. That's what I told you. So we're going to do 1 hour. But like I said, I give you everything that you need and build to before I you boo. You don't want to launch ads right now. What you want to do, you want to go and finish building your audiences.
Okay.
And then, so, and I will work on my ad copy. Ad copy. Est-ce qu'on a un website qui a besoin de presque même pour avant?
Yes, the main choice.
Et so qu'on Facebook page.
Should be. We should be their name, the main choice. You can search people.
Okay, so let's go to the main choice.
No. MANE. MANE choice. Top dogs.
This?
No. Yeah, that's the name, but Mboko no lista la.
No, I don't know more Facebook, not business page. That's why I don't know. I'm gonna go to your personal Facebook right now, so you know. So. No, I don't wanna see stuff I don't wanna see.
I'm as straight as they come. Petit bagay am caché.
Good. I hear that. Okay, good. So let's go here. The main choice.
What? Oh, okay.
Is that done?
The second one.
Right here.
Oh, wait, no.
This?
Yes.
Okay. So we can kind of see what they're doing.
Another spy, so yo.
Yeah, let's spy them. By the way, you know, I have a software. I can take all their people, all the email of their customers.
Unfell.
So now let's see what are they owning.
You have the wrong password.
Yeah, many. Okay. What will I view kunyala?
Wow, I did not know people could just see that like that.
Oh,
Someone's how secretive.
well. Look at the copy. Peep my pitch black collection hashtag. Peep my recent ration gold. Yap on ad sa depuis you fait commencer. Yeah, commencer. Regardez, mais tout ad Japon.
Yeah, it's a new collection. Yeah. So wow, they got a lot of ads.
Oh yeah. So somebody said people are still out here. So after Pwop chercher comme ça pour écrire, si produit presque même bagay là, okay, you kind of like go the same route.
Oh no!
Somebody said people as in the tangles. We finished searching that years ago. Here are some. Boom.
I can tell that they're using stuff from, like you said, from posts on Facebook, and then you turn it into.
Yeah. Look at this. So you want to do it for the culture, huh? Haha, I love that. Look at this. We got to tout ça écrit net là s'ouvre. You just click it on banner add details, you'll see the whole ad.
Wow. See, exactly. They're killing it. Got a vale bagay.
Well, they're spending money, sweetie. I mean, if they know what things working for them.
You fake at million, so
oh, look at this. Yeah, that's why. But you cannot have their life. So let me look at adu too. Fair mun yo design li même genre pour mama. Look at something. They're using more videos than anything else.
Yeah, say marketing you fair reformat everything like that. I started doing some of mine, yeah.
Look at this. The key to healthier is a healthy score. Did you know? By adding this and that and a third, look at this. You see what I told you, Mama? So this is a company doing 4 million, just did exactly what I just told you to do. When did you see where they send the traffic? You're welcome.
Hey, excuse me, I'm still in a meeting. Please conduct yourselves accordingly. Thank you. I do not want to hear it.
Look at, so you see how I said to be different, to make it pop because you want somebody in newsfeed, you got to make them stop. What do you see here?
Colors, shapes, design
beautiful, is nice, popping. It's the environment is nice. It's make you want to see what's going on in here. They're in Target too, beautiful. They're using that.
It's luscious.
I will copy. I mean, I would model the shit out of them. Not copy. I take that backward. That word back. I will model the shit out of them. So I will hire a designer to literally go look at all what they're doing, all the pictures, all the videos. I will hire somebody on Fiverr and make me this shit same fucking way. By the way, you can take those videos too. If you just click on the link, you will copy the URL. You go on Google and add Facebook video downloader. You'll be able to download the videos. And then you can send it to somebody on Fiverr and build your videos just the same way.
Nice.
Okay, so feel bad that guy, man. Okay, but again, I just show you their life. This is their life. They're not. There's nothing.
Wow.
So.
And they're all active. My God.
Look at what they're doing, man. Oh my God. They know their shit. I love it. But Nikki, I just give you their life.
Petito. No excuses. No excuses. But
Well, you just have to look at your company, see where you're spending the most money at, and then take that money and spend it on the online game instead of trying to install it on retail.
Mm-hmm. I don't pay nothing for the retail, no pity.
So, but so right?
Oui. Yeah.
Anyway, it's recording for you too. Anyway, I'll send it to you. It's fine. But that's it. You go here, you go on their page, you go on page transparency. You can see any ads anybody's running if you just do that.
Yeah. Wow.
So, did you get any value out of this, Miss Nikki?
I sure enough did. That's legit. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, I'm gonna email this to you. And then, like I said, I will first work on my videos. I will work first on my creatives. And then I will just watch this video over and over so you kind of get it. I know it's kind of, I did went fast. So it's a lot. But I think with this, I created you also some audiences. But I do think if you do this the right way, it should be no reason Nikki can do at least $100,000 a month doing this. So.
Don't you have a marketing firm as well?
I do. So I do have a marketing firm. Honestly, I don't have the time to run ads for anyone. My guys pretty much build someone the Shopify store, and we do a 6-week coaching program. But
you guys actually handle ads.
Yeah, okay. It's just because I personally would like to run all my ads. And as you can see, it's a lot of data that I have to company to run. I coach for 6 weeks. I rather coach you one-on-one, you know exactly what to do, and then you go do it yourself.
Yeah. I mean, okay.
So, yeah, I will send you that right now. I'll email it to you. And then, yeah. How many people you have on Instagram?
91.1K.
What about your personal?
My personal, 3,500 about. I never really took the time to build my page. I focused on Girls Dynasty for so long until people started telling me I gotta put myself out there more. So.
Okay, good. All right. So hopefully, I one day I get some curls to myself.
You already have hair, bro.
I want some curls, man. You know. But good though. So. Oh, which one I didn't do? I think I didn't touch base on one. Hold on, let me see. I know. Oh, we did it for the Instagram page. We didn't do it for the audience. We didn't create them for. Where are we? Jesus, I can't find you on that now.
Maybe this? Yeah. Nope. Maybe that?
Yeah. Oh my God.
I
just passed it. Just touch it.
Right here. Right here. No.
No, I just saw it. No, that's not. Remember the one I was creating the audience?
Problem.
No, it's okay. It should be here. Turn that off. Okay, here. So the same way you want to also do the same thing for your Facebook page, right? So you want to go here. You want to do, we did Instagram. We want to do Facebook.
Mm-hmm.
So kind of like people who engage with your page the last 365 days, you can do the same thing. Call to action, message your page, visit your Facebook page, right? Mm-hmm. So anyone, come, oh my God.
It's time for lunch, huh?
No,
Kyle!
I just haven't been eating Haitian food. That's why I need some Haitian food.
Oh, c'est pas grave. Qui boy à New York?
I am, but at the côté mourité, I get ice.
I mean, for no bon restaurant, we're not bon.
I know, man. The restaurant business.
Food truck.
Oh, food truck, yes. Food truck, yes. How often are you in New York?
Only for business. I'm coming next month for having an in-store event at Target.
Which Target?
Geez. Hold on, let me tell you.
It's okay. I mean, love, I just am going to talk.
Okay, pas de problem.
I'm in Miami, I think on the 4th of October. Yeah, I think so. Something like that.
I'm always looking to connect with other entrepreneurs. I told Chris, there's many of us out here, but we don't really network. We don't get together.
Yeah, but I'm coming to have some fun. I'll be straightforward with you because I've been working like crazy. I've been taking some time for myself. I'm just coming to just get this up. So.
Oh, Brooklyn, Wimbale.
No, not Brooklyn. I'm talking about when I'm in Miami. So let me in Miami on look at Mbasi. I'm just pleased to hang out. Anyone who visited
Yeah. What vini pour venir relax seulement?
Yeah. I need some time for myself. 365 days. And then yeah. Ou fait même bagarre là pour Facebook page too. Ou quand même créer look like you the same way for them too.
Yeah.
You have a lot of data. See, you have a lot.
D'accord.
All right, so mbas ou bon la Niki. Just I'll swim à la aprann m'a voye vidéo pour kounya. Et bon Dieu nous et puis continuer faire bon bagay, OK?
Merci un peu for your time and teaching.
Bye.
Bye.